Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
How you going? It's Richard from Offroad Touring Life, and today I'm going to do something a little bit different. The second battery I've had in here for about 2.5, probably closer to 3 years. It's finally stopped working. So I've just picked up this supercharged all-rounder. So it's a combination deep cycle and starting battery. It was on sale. I'm sure it'll do the job. Most of my batteries only last about 3 odd years anyway. It was $220. It was too hard to pass up for that price. So just about to whip out this other battery and put the new one in. Alright, so I just try to get a bit fancy then, just set up the time lapse. I didn't do it that successfully. I had it set for 5 seconds. I thought that'd be enough. Battery come out a lot quicker. If you blink, you'll miss it, but I'll put it in anyway. If you want to leave a comment down below on what settings you use for a time lapse thing, that'd be awesome. I'm still learning as I go. So the dual battery kit I use is by Projector. It's a 150 amp setup. Now I bought that back at the end of 2005. Prior to the patrol I did have a Hilux. I had that system in there for a few years. It's now been in here for close to 12 to 13 years. I've never ever had to touch it. I've never ever had a problem with it. It was $150 at the time, and it has served us awesome. That thing's been punished and through rivers and corrugations all around the country, from the top end down to Tassie and everywhere in between, but I definitely can't fault it for the system that works well for what we need. So I run my lighting, and I also have the fridge, etc. Got Anderson plugs and solar, and that just all gets plugged in through at the rear of the vehicle. But yeah, that Projector system has been fantastic. So what I'll do now, I'll try that time lapse again while I'm putting the battery back in, but I'll just give you a quick look at that. That's where the battery system sits now. I don't know whether it's the ideal spot or not, but it hasn't overheated or let us down. So if you have the same sort of system and you're happy with it, let us know in the comments below as well. Alright, so this is the old battery that I had in it. You can see it was a supercharge, which is the same as what I've just put in it. That was also 105 amp hour. The main difference was this one was a deep cycle, and like I mentioned earlier, the other one is a dual or an all-rounder. So there's a start battery and a deep cycle. I think from memory this one might have been up around $280 odd, so just thought with a sale on with the other one, I'll give that one a go. Alright, so the battery's all there, all installed. Everything was pretty straightforward. I use a Piranha battery tray, which I've bought only a couple of months after I bought the Patrol. Never had any dramas with that either. Just gave that a bit of a clean up underneath while the battery was out, because there was a bit of dirt and leaf litter and whatnot in there. So that's all clean. Everything's working. The battery charger isn't flashing anymore, so I know the battery's all good. So thanks heaps for watching. Hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up if you like the video, and if you whatever battery you use or dual battery system, feel free to put a comment down below in the comment section, and I'll see you around sometime.